I've discovered 14 genuine remote jobs suitable for night owls, and the best part is that most of them don't require extensive experience or a college degree. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. First on the list is a Roblox Studio coding instructor. It's a niche opportunity, but if you're passionate about late-night gaming and programming, this could be an ideal fit. Teaching others how to create and script games using Roblox Studio, particularly in Lua, could earn you anywhere from $166,000 to $83,000 annually, depending on whether you work part-time or full-time. Overall, it's a solid opportunity, earning a 7.5 out of 10 on the opportunity score. Now, let's move on to number 2 on the list, which is a remote HR administrator. Human resources professionals are the unsung heroes of employee welfare, especially those who work the night shift. HR administrators typically earn $52,000 to $81,000 annually. While this role often requires a college degree, it's still a good opportunity, earning a 7 out of 10 on the opportunity score. Next on the list is a breakdown coordinator. This role involves managing incoming calls to coordinate vehicle repairs, often in the middle of the night. You may also coordinate transportation for drivers and arrange hotel accommodations if needed. In this position, you can expect to earn $46,000 to $67,000 annually. It's a relatively easy role to get into, earning an 8.5 out of 10 on the opportunity score. Feel free to pause the video to explore job opportunities on the screen. Next up is a social media representative, specifically focusing on YouTube. As someone with a YouTube channel, I may be a bit biased, but there's a wide array of social media representative roles across various platforms. In this role, you'd manage a company's social media platforms, creating content, engaging with the audience, and monitoring trends to enhance online presence and brand awareness. These professionals are hired by marketing agencies, retail brands, tech firms, media companies, and small businesses aiming to establish or grow their online presence. Typically, you'd earn around $4,000 to $57,000 annually. And while experience or a college degree isn't always required, being adept at social media, particularly for the younger generation, can be advantageous. Overall, this opportunity scores a solid 9.5 out of 10. Feel free to pause the video to explore job opportunities on the screen. Moving on, we have the high-ticket closer role, where you'd sell high-value products or services to individuals or businesses. Common industries for these roles include luxury markets, high-end real estate, B2B services, financial services, and the technology sector. Many individuals have found success in high-ticket sales without prior experience or a college degree, often making significant earnings, with high-ticket sales closers typically earning $94,000 to $159,000 annually. This role often requires working night shifts to accommodate clients in different time zones, making it a lucrative opportunity. Overall, it scores a 9.5 out of 10 on the opportunity scale. Feel free to explore job opportunities on the screen. Next up is a financial representative. This opportunity is quite promising, although it typically necessitates a college degree, albeit not always a specific one, and often prefers some prior experience. Financial representatives offer advice and guidance on various financial products tailored to clients' needs and goals, aiming to assist them in making sound investment decisions. On average, they earn between $63,000 and $80,000 annually, making it a lucrative option. Considering the entry requirements, I'd rate this opportunity an 8 out of 10. It may not be suitable for everyone, but it's worth exploring. Moving on to a more accessible option, we have the loan consultant role. As a loan consultant, you'd assess and advise clients on different loan options, helping them select the most suitable financial products based on their circumstances. Typically employed by banks, credit unions, mortgage companies, and financial consulting firms, loan consultants command an impressive salary range of $74,000 to $136,000 per year. Remarkably, a college degree or previous experience is not always required, making it an exceptional opportunity. I'd give this role a solid 9 out of 10 on the opportunity scale. Check out the job opportunities displayed on the screen for more information. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Next in line is the collection specialist role. This position involves managing debts and persuading individuals to fulfill their financial obligations or negotiate payment terms. While it may not be the most glamorous role, it's relatively easy to secure. And collections specialists typically earn between $39,000 and $56,000 annually. Given its accessibility and availability, especially at night, I'd rate this opportunity a commendable 9 out of 10. Explore the job opportunities shown on the screen for potential openings. Next, we have the Crisis Hotline Specialist role, which serves as a beacon of hope during dark hours, particularly in mental health crises. These professionals work for mental health organizations, nonprofits, and emergency response services, and provide crucial support to those who are in distress. While it requires considerable mental resilience, hotline operators earn between $37,000 and $56,000 annually, with higher pay often associated with night shifts. Overall, I'd give this opportunity an 8 out of 10. Feel free to pause the video to review the displayed job opportunities. Next up is a resource specialist, often employed by educational institutions or community organizations. Their role involves assisting individuals with diverse needs related to the resources offered by their institution. For instance, colleges may provide various resources, like health insurance, and when students encounter issues, they reach out to resource specialists for assistance. This role can sometimes entail working late hours, and resource specialists typically earn between $61,000 and $80,000 annually. Remarkably, a college degree or prior experience is not always required, although preferences may vary among employers. With its accessibility and decent pay, I'd rate this opportunity an 8.5 out of 10. Feel free to pause the video to explore the displayed job opportunities. Similarly, we have the Benefits Associate position, where individuals serve as guides for healthcare benefits. These associates work across various organizations, assisting individuals in navigating the complex healthcare system, particularly in the United States. They provide information on different benefits plans and help individuals make enrollment decisions. Benefits associates earn approximately $46,000 to $68,000 annually, and it's relatively straightforward to enter this field. Overall, I'd give this opportunity an 8 out of 10. Check out the job opportunities displayed on the screen for more details. Moving on to the remote phone triager role, which involves engaging with individuals to determine if they're a good fit for the company's products or services. It's a pivotal position as it saves the sales team time by ensuring they only interact with qualified leads. Remote phone triagers typically earn a substantial income, and their role involves short, concise calls with potential customers. With its importance and decent compensation, I'd rate this opportunity an 8.5 out of 10. Explore the displayed job opportunities for further information. Next up is a systems and network operator, responsible for monitoring and supporting an organization's computer systems and networks throughout the night to ensure seamless 24/7 operations. These roles are crucial in tech companies, financial institutions, and any business relying on critical technology infrastructure that operates round the clock. While this is a higher-level IT position, individuals often start in lower-level IT roles, such as IT help desk, and work their way up. Systems and network operators typically earn between $88,000 and $128,000 annually. While it may require starting at entry-level positions, which are relatively easy to secure, this career path doesn't necessarily demand a college degree. Hence, I'd rate it an 8 out of 10 in terms of opportunity. Feel free to pause the video to explore the displayed job opportunities. Moving on, we have a telehealth coordinator, responsible for facilitating and supporting telemedicine services during the night. This includes tasks like patient scheduling and remote health monitoring. Given the increasing demand for 247 healthcare services in facilities like hospitals and clinics, telehealth coordinators play a crucial role. They typically earn between $46,000 to $72,000 annually and often don't require a college degree or previous experience. Considering its accessibility and decent pay, I'd rate this opportunity an 8 out of 10. Check out the job opportunities displayed on the screen for more details. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!